Hello there, welcome to this channel. My name is Dr.Mutasiigwa. I'm a doctor here in the UK and I've been practicing here for the last 5 years. And over the course of this time, many of you have been asking me questions about how to work as a doctor in the UK. In this video, I'm just going to show you a few steps what you need to do in order to work as a doctor in the UK. And specifically, I'm going to take you through how to apply for Plab. So take a seat, relax, and grab your cup of coffee, cappuccino, whatsoever, Costa coffee, and relax. Let's dive in. So, step number 1, you need to confirm your eligibility to sit the Plab exam. Do you know what that means? It basically means you need to have a primary medical qualification that is recognized by the GMC, that's the General Medical Council. To check for that, you can always go to the internet and see if your medical qualification or where you graduated from is among the medical schools that are recognized by the GMC. I will make a separate video on that if you're having problems with it. And number 2, you need to have an English test, especially if your first language is not English. You need to have either an IELTS test or an OET test, which is Occupational English Test, and with the required scores. In IELTS, you need to have a minimum of 7 and an overall score of 7.5 with all the aspects combined. And if it is OET, you need to have a minimum of a B, a score of a B upwards to be eligible for the Plab exams. I hope that's clear. And then step number 2 is you need to have a GMC account. You may ask, what's a GMC account? This is basically an online platform for you, or it acts as your portfolio kind of with GMC, where you put all your credentials and they will be assessed. So to create the GMC account, I put a link down here on the video and show you how to do that, but you can just go into Google and type in GMC online account and you see the steps how to do this. But never mind, I'll put this in my next video, how to create a GMC account. Step number 3, after you've created your GMC account, then you would need to log into that GMC account with the credentials that you've created. There is no magic about that, it should be straightforward. And then step number 4, you would need to register for the Plab 1 exams. And how to do that? Once you've gone into GMC online and logged in with all your credentials, you go to the section where there is My Tests. You see it on the, I think most likely on the left hand column, you'll see My Tests, and then you click on Plab 1. It will take you to all the available venues and the dates available for that year. And this test, the good thing about it, it is taken worldwide, so you don't have to be in the UK to take it. Then choose your appropriate date and appropriate venue. Then boom, it will take you to the next step, which is paying for the actual exam itself. And I think at the moment, as I make this video, the amount is about £255. You can convert that to your respective currencies to give you an actual figure that you may have to pay locally. Step number 6, you need to check your booking confirmation. Once you've paid up for the Plab 1, you need to go back into your GMC account and check your booking confirmation. Still, you go to GMC online, click on My Tests, you'll see Plab 1 and to show you where you book to take the exam. I hope that is clear. Step number 7, which I've put it last, but it should actually be the first if you are thinking about taking the Plab exam, and that is preparing for the Plab exam itself. It is last, but in reality it needs to come first, because you need enough time to prepare for this exam and you don't want to dive into an exam, lose money, lose time, and then you end up failing it. So it's better we put everything together, do your preparations early enough, as you basically do the preparations alongside all the other things that we've spoken about, and there are a lot of reading materials that you can use to do your preparation. but maybe in a separate video I can give you my personal experience about what I used, and maybe you might find it helpful. So I hope that has put more light or thrown more light on how to apply for Plab. If you've got personal questions that you'd like to ask, leave them in the comment section. I will personally come back to you with responses. So if you've liked this video, just give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.